In this video, I'll show you how to temporarily disable Windows Defender in your Windows 11 computer. So what you have to do first is go to Start and then click on Settings. Now from the left, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Windows Security from the top. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection from here. Now scroll down a bit and then click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now in here under Real-Time Protection, just click on this toggle button here and then click on Yes, and that will disable or turn off Windows Defender on your computer. And once you're done with your work and you want to turn it back on, all you have to do is come back here again and then click on this button again, and that will turn it on again. And that is how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender on your Windows 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.